In this Marketing Blocks review, I'm going to be showing you a tool that's going to give you all the tools that you need in order to run an online business all in one place. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Marketing Blocks, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says starting an online business can't get any easier. Breakthrough app automatically creates an online ready to profit business using just a keyword in less than 45 seconds, powered by AI. No need to buy expensive tools like ClickFunnels, Canva Pro, video apps, or hire expensive freelancers. Marketing Blocks does it all for you. So essentially, this is a software that has multiple tools inside it, allowing you to create, edit, has built-in wizard, fully cloud-based, easy to use, a commercial license so you can provide it as a service. You can create landing pages with preloaded content, high converting ads for Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, marketing copy for sales pages here, stunning graphics, high converting emails, print graphics, promotional videos, stock images, logos, voiceovers, full-blown branding kits, and more, all in one package here. If you look at some of the other options out there where you have to pay to get these done, the prices would really go up. Like the time and money says $9,000, 68 weeks. With this, it's about $37 and maybe 30 minutes to do everything here. So this has all kinds of different things added inside of it. You've got the page builder in here. You can create ads with this. You can create marketing copy, branding kits, graphics, logos, print graphics, tons and tons of stuff, promotional videos, stock images and videos, all these different things, marketing voiceovers, all in one place. I'm not going to go over everything here because it would take forever. I'm going to go down through most of this. It's got tons of stuff here in this. But if you do decide to purchase this, you're going to have to go in there and get it during the period where it's going to be at the discounted price here. Of course, if you want that lowest price here for this, I can move down here. These sales pages are so long. There's two options here. There is a personal one and a commercial. They're both, looks like they're the same price here. So, and this one gives you 10 projects, 40,000 credits, all this tools included inside for a one-time price. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the different upgrades you're going to be offered after you purchase.
Welcome to Marketing Blocks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create marketing assets for your business and your clients in minutes using artificial intelligence. Now, let's say you own a plumbing company or you have a client who owns a plumbing company, KB Plumbing, let's say. You can easily create marketing assets for this business or any business in just 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to enter the product name and description. In this example, KB Plumbers. The description: we provide plumbing services for residential homes in Nebraska. And boom, instantly, right before your eyes, watch Marketing Blocks create 100% original marketing assets for you. This includes the marketing copy and ads, landing pages, graphics, promo videos, voiceovers, high-quality stock media, and a whole lot more. Now let's explore them one after the other. Marketing copy and ads. The AI writes 100% original copy that you could use in your business. Unlike other tools in the market, Marketing Blocks uses real artificial intelligence and not fill-in-the-blank templates. You have total control over your copy. You could set the tone of your copy and even translate it into over 100 languages in just one click. The AI uses the most advanced natural language processing model and has been trained using more than 400 billion data feeds. It's smart and can write high-quality copy for any industry or niche. video script, searches for relevant background media, and combines them to create promotional videos for your business. With the editor, you can effortlessly edit each scene, change the text, background media, and background music. Use your own media or choose from our library of millions of stock videos and images. Add background music and render either as rectangle, square, or story-style videos that you could use to get more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. Voiceovers. MarketingBlocks AI creates real human voiceovers for you. The AI writes the script to sell your services. You could edit this script and add your own, or even have the AI rewrite the script with one click. Boom! Awesome! All you have to do now is choose one of the professional voiceover artists and convert the script to real human voiceover using the most natural sounding text to speech technology ever created in the world.
Are you looking for a plumber to fix your pipes? KB Plumbers is a plumbing company that provides plumbing services for residential homes. We have years of experience in the plumbing industry. Let us show you how we can help you fix your plumbing problem. KB Plumbers, trusted by homeowners for over 35 years.
Graphics. MarketingBlocks will generate bulk graphics for your business. Banners, social media graphics, logos, letterhead, business cards, and many more, all preloaded with relevant images and copy. Retouch and edit your designs to perfection using our drag and drop graphics editor to create unique graphics that stand out in a flash. Use your own media or choose from our library of over 10 million stock images, illustrations, icons, objects, people on transparent backgrounds, and more. AI technology to write emails to sell your services. With the AI stock tool, MarketingBlocks goes to work and finds the best suited stock images for your project from a huge library of all sorts of visual content. MarketingBlocks is the fastest and easiest way to create marketing assets for you and your clients without shelling out big bucks on multiple marketing apps or expensive freelancers. All you have to do is enter the product name and description or just a keyword. Sit back, relax, and allow MarketingBlocks AI to do all the work for you. In minutes, you will have all the marketing assets you need to build and grow any business in any industry. Everything is powered by a combo of artificial intelligence, natural language processing or NLP, big data, and our SMA proprietary technology, all trained to help you build your online business. Right now, there is no software in the world that does what MarketingBlocks can do at any price. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns MarketingBlocks into a money-making machine for you, because you could easily sell these marketing assets to clients across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated and done by artificial intelligence.
Okay, so it looks like there are about 4 OTOs here. The first one here, it says, become a successful coach and marketing consultant overnight with a MarketingBlocks consultancy done for you package. So you can set up your own marketing consultancy business, create and manage unlimited workplaces and team members, charge a premium fee, and really turn this into a business with this option here. So this one I can find the pricing, 67 for this one. The next one here is the unlimited. You can add unlimited clients, unlimited projects, unlimited online business assets, and it says unlimited profit potential. For this one, it's 147 to remove their branding from everything you create. So if you get the front end only, it has their branding on it, but you can remove the branding with this one. The next one here, it says World Number software helps you create instant responses to custom reviews here. So this is a, looks like a review response software here. So this one is 47. And the last one's the reseller license. You can actually resell MarketingBlocks as your application and keep 100% profit from every sale. And if you get this one, I always like to show you guys the prices on these. Here we go. It's either, you can either do the 3 split payment option, or you can get the one time. If you get the one time, it's $197. Or if you do a 3, it's 90. It's like about $300 or $200 for the one time. All these different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about MarketingBlocks and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, whenever you have a tool that has so many things in it, it's not going to be the best at doing all these. Like if you want the best page builder, you want to go out and probably buy something like ClickFunnels or Convertry that are high price. They're going to be charging either monthly or yearly. And that's why, because you're going to be paying them a lot of money and they're going to keep that tool really good. So just don't expect this to be the best at everything it does. What do I like about this? Anyone that's just getting started, anyone that needs any of these tools, it's worth paying the price, even if you're only going to be using a couple of the tools in the system. If there's something in here that looks like it would be good for your business, then definitely check this out. Thanks so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at MarketingBlocks, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.